How to chat with someone on Venmo. A beginner's guide. Intro hook. Have you ever wanted to send a quick message to a friend while making a payment on Venmo? It's easier than you might think. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to chat with someone directly on the Venmo app. Building context. Imagine you're splitting the bill for dinner with a friend. Instead of just sending them money, why not add a personal touch with a message? Or maybe you're sending a gift to a loved one and want to include a heartfelt note. Venmo makes it easy to do all of this and more. Step-by-step guide. Open the Venmo app. The first step is to open the Venmo app on your smartphone. If you haven't already, make sure you're logged into your account. Tap the Pay button. Once you're in the app, tap the Pay button. This will bring you to the screen where you can enter the amount you want to send and the recipient's Venmo handle. Enter recipient's information. Fill in the necessary information, including the amount you want to send and the recipient's Venmo username. Add a note. This is where the fun begins. Below the payment information, you'll see a field labeled Note. This is where you can add a personalized message to your payment. Customize your message. Feel free to be creative with your message. You can add a thank you note, a joke, or even a fun emoji. Review and send. Once you're satisfied with your message, review the payment details and tap Pay. The payment will be sent, and your message will be included. Chatting after payment. If you want to continue the conversation after sending the payment, you can tap on the payment in your transaction history. This will open a chat thread where you can continue to message the recipient. Additional tips. Use emojis. Emojis can add a fun and personal touch to your messages. Keep it short and sweet. While you can write longer messages, it's often best to keep things concise. Be respectful. Always treat others with respect in your messages. Check for updates. Venmo may introduce new features or changes over time, so it's a good idea to check for updates to ensure you're using the latest version of the app. Conclusion. Chatting with someone on Venmo is a great way to add a personal touch to your payments. Whether you're splitting a bill with a friend or sending a gift to a loved one, Venmo makes it easy to include a personalized message. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.